that time of year again, time to protest your taxes. You have probably seen an increase in your property value, which is great. The downside is that your property taxes are based off of the market value, so that's gone up too, which is not great. So the good news is that if it's your primary residence, you can actually apply for a homestead exemption. If you haven't done this, don't worry. You can do this anytime and it's free. So do that, and what it does, it caps the amount the county can increase your property taxes by. So let's say last year your property value went up by 20%. Your property taxes are capped at increasing by 10%. So that's a win. So what I want to help you do today is protest your taxes online. So we're going to go to your county appraisal district website. You can do this online. It's so easy. So let's get started. Here are the 3 county appraisal district websites: Travis, Hayes, Williamson. You have until 30 days after you received your appraised value notice to protest your taxes. Or you have until May 15th for Travis, May 18th for Hayes, and May 15th for Williamson County. Since I live in Travis County, I'm going to take you through that website right now. So here is Travis County's appraisal district website. traviscad.org. You can go to protests, click on protests, go to the protest process. Then you can read all about it depending on how slow your computer is. Hopefully it's faster than mine. And over there on the right side, you'll see File Your Protest Online. Click that button and it will bring you to another page that's all about e-file. You can read about it there, or click on the button that says e-file now. Super easy. Now this is the part, I already have an account set up. I've lived in Travis County for many years now. You'll have to create a portal if you don't already have one. Once you create a portal, you will go to your portal site, and on the left hand side you're going to find protest. You're going to click that, and over there on the right, see that action menu. You're going to click there, and I've actually already protested my property and I've already uploaded my evidence, so we'll take a look at my evidence right here. And what I did was I attached the first page of my sales contract because I bought the house last year. So you can upload sales comps to prove that your house last year was worth less than what they say it's worth today. Or if you bought last year, this is an easy way to prove you paid less. So I also attached the first page of my closing disclosure because I did get a loan, and this proves the sales price as well. And I'm being very transparent here. They appraised it at $471, as you can see, and I'm arguing it's worth $421 because that's what I bought it for. But here they already sent me back a recommended value adjustment. I can reject it or accept it. But since $435 is very close to what I was arguing it's worth, I accepted it. Mainly personal choice. I just don't want to have the hassle of going and scheduling a hearing on the phone. I did it last year and I ended up in tears. It was very frustrating. And I'm a realtor. So I accepted the value, very happy that it decreased by almost $40,000, and I'm moving on with my life. Now, if you decided you wanted to reject the proposed change in value, you absolutely can. You just go through the prompts and schedule an in-person or on the phone hearing. And you just want to provide evidence that it is worth less than what they proposed for last year. Remember, we're not talking about this year, we're talking about last year. So here we are reviewing their evidence. So this is the County Appraisal District's evidence. Here's me clicking through and trying to find it. This is the juicy stuff right here. We got the listings. As you can see, my house is the cheapest in the neighborhood. I bought a lot of backyard, not a big house. And so it was tricky for them to appraise my house, being that the neighborhood is so valuable and my house is so tiny. So you can review the evidence they provide, and then when you go back into action menu, you can look at case activity, and there they list the activity date by date. I recommend checking in to see if there's any updates. I protested, I think, last Thursday, and by Monday they had provided a new proposed value, so they're very quick. And that's how easy it is. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, the best way to contact me is through my website, sammymidler.com. Okay, best of luck!